What if I told you that you have the power to harness your emotions to transform your reality? Although it may sound like the plot from a sci-fi movie, the science suggests it's possible. Let's dive into the captivating dance of the heart and brain, where two of our most essential organs converse, unlocking possibilities that can revolutionize our existence. In the next few minutes, we'll explore this intriguing connection, a dialogue that's not just metaphorical, but deeply rooted in our biology. Research from leading institutes has shown that the heart and brain engage in a two-way conversation, impacting everything from our perception to our behavior and performance. This interaction is not merely a simplistic command and response system, but a complex interplay involving neurological, biochemical, biophysical, and energetic pathways. But what if we told you that understanding this connection could be the key to unlocking your potential? That's right. By harnessing the power of the heart-brain connection, we can tap into our subconscious mind, rewrite our internal programs, and consequently, reshape our external reality. Over the course of this video, we'll not only delve into the science behind the heart-brain connection, but also introduce techniques to achieve heart-brain coherence. We'll guide you on how to create a vivid image of your future self, and explain the role of meditation in this transformative journey. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey to explore the power of the heart-brain connection. It's not just about understanding the science, it's about leveraging this understanding to create a better, brighter future. Prepare to dive deep into the fascinating world of the heart-brain connection. The heart and the brain are not just separate organs working independently. There's a two-way conversation happening between them. Imagine the heart and the brain as two best friends, constantly chatting and influencing each other. This ongoing dialogue is crucial for our well-being, and here's why. Traditionally, we've seen the brain as the master controller, sending commands down to the obedient heart. But research from institutions like the HeartMath Institute is rewriting this narrative. They've discovered that our hearts have their own kind of intelligence. The heart sends more signals to the brain than the brain sends to the heart. And these are not just any signals. They carry emotional information that significantly impacts how the brain functions. Now let's delve into the concept of heart-brain coherence. Picture two musicians, flawlessly in tune with one another, creating a harmonious melody. That harmony is coherence. When our heart and brain achieve this state, they produce a symphony of seamless collaboration. This harmony allows us to tap into our subconscious mind. And why is this important? Because our subconscious mind is the scriptwriter of our life's play. It holds our deepest beliefs, attitudes, and patterns. When we access it, we can rewrite these scripts, shaping our internal programs to create a better external reality. Imagine your life as a movie. The heart-brain coherence is like the director's chair. It gives you the power to call cut on old, unhelpful patterns and start filming a new scene. One where you're the hero, living a life full of joy, purpose, and fulfillment. But creating this coherence isn't just about rewiring our internal programs. It's about living in alignment with our true selves. It's about making decisions that resonate with our hearts. It's about harnessing the power of positive emotions to enhance our brain's performance. It's about transforming not just our reality, but also our perception of it. The heart and the brain, in harmony, can be the key to unlocking your true potential. Now you may be wondering, how can I create this heart-brain coherence? It's simpler than you think. The journey to achieving heart-brain coherence is a three-step dance, a harmonious ballet of mind, body, and emotion. Just as a dancer must learn and perfect every movement, so too must you become familiar with each step of this technique. First, gently touch your heart. This simple act of connection is a powerful tool in focusing your awareness. As your fingertips meet your chest, feel the rhythm of your heart, the steady pulse of life within you. This is the physical reminder of the conversation between your heart and brain, a dialogue that you are about to actively engage in. Next, slow your breathing. 5 seconds to inhale, 5 seconds to exhale. This rhythm is a soothing lullaby for your body, signaling safety and tranquility. It is in this state of calm that the door to the subconscious mind begins to creak open, allowing for a deeper, more meaningful connection between your heart and brain. And finally, the third step. Here we introduce the magic ingredient, the catalyst for coherence: emotion. Focus your feelings on gratitude, care, or compassion. These are not merely words, but powerful emotional states that can bridge the gap between heart and brain. Imagine yourself breathing in these emotions from your heart. Feel them permeating every cell of your body. This is the moment when the heart and brain begin to speak the same language, when coherence is achieved. But remember, this is not a one-time event. Like any skill, achieving heart-brain coherence requires practice. It's about creating a new habit, a new way of being. It's about tuning into the conversation between your heart and brain, becoming an active participant in that dialogue. Practice this technique regularly, and you'll start to notice a shift in how you perceive and interact with the world around you. Harnessing the power of the heart-brain connection is not just about understanding it, but about applying it to create the future you desire. Often, we unknowingly anchor ourselves to our past memories. This can be a hindrance, especially if the past is filled with negative experiences. Continually focusing on past hurts or failures can keep us stuck in a cycle of negativity, reproducing more of the same in our future. To break free from this cycle, we need to shift our focus and start envisioning our future selves. Imagine what you want to become. It could be anything: healthier, wealthier, happier, in love, whatever your heart desires. Once you have a clear vision of your future self, immerse yourself fully in that image. Start acting, thinking, and feeling as if you are already that person you envision. The feelings associated with this future vision are crucial. They need to be felt as if they are already a part of your reality. Every time you catch yourself dwelling on a negative past experience, consciously redirect your thoughts to your future vision. With enough repetition, this practice will start to mold your reality, drawing your desired future closer to you. The key here is specificity. The clearer and more detailed your future vision is, the more effective the transformation will be. Imagine it in vivid detail. The colors, the sounds, the smells, the feelings. The more real it feels, the more powerful the impact on your reality. This process of envisioning and embodying your future self is not just wishful thinking. It's a powerful technique that leverages the heart-brain connection to manifest your desires. It's about creating a new narrative for your life, one that is centered on your aspirations and not your past. Your future is in your hands, or rather, in your heart and brain. Meditation is more than just a relaxation technique. It's a powerful tool for reprogramming our brains. Indeed, the transformative power of meditation lies in its ability to help us reshape our thought patterns, thereby drawing our desired future into our present reality. At the heart of this process are two elevated emotions: love and gratitude. These are not just feel-good sentiments, rather, they serve as potent catalysts for change. When we meditate, we create a space for these emotions to flourish, enabling us to tap into their transformative potential. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. Love is a potent force that propels us towards our desired future. It is the emotion that drives us to envision a better and brighter future for ourselves. It is the force that fuels our desire for change and growth. When we meditate on love, we immerse ourselves in the belief in our potential for transformation. Gratitude, on the other hand, plays a different but equally crucial role. It is the emotion that puts us in a state of receivership. When we express gratitude during our meditations, we are essentially sending a signal to the universe that we are open and ready to receive our desires. We are acknowledging the abundance that already exists in our lives, and inviting even more of it. But how exactly does this work? Well, our brains cannot distinguish between an external event and an internal thought that creates a powerful emotion. So when we meditate and focus on the elevated emotions of love and gratitude, our brains perceive these as real events. This perception then triggers a series of neural responses that align with our desired future, thereby drawing it closer to our present reality. This is why meditation is such a powerful tool. It allows us to create a mental and emotional environment that is conducive to the realization of our desires. It enables us to align our thoughts and emotions with our vision of the future, thereby setting the stage for its manifestation. Meditation, when combined with a clear vision of your future, can be the key to transforming your reality. So, harness the power of meditation, cultivate the elevated emotions of love and gratitude, and watch as your desired future unfolds before your very eyes. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding the heart-brain connection. We hope that the insights shared have been valuable and transformative. The power of the heart-brain connection, the role of elevated emotions like love and gratitude, and the transformative potential of meditation all come together to help us shape our reality. Our brains, with their remarkable ability to blur the lines between our internal thoughts and external events, act as powerful agents of change. When we meditate on love and gratitude, we set in motion a series of neural responses that align with our desired future. We create a mental and emotional environment that is conducive to the realization of our desires. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Your support helps us in our mission to share knowledge and foster growth. As we conclude, remember, the power to transform your reality lies within you. Harness the power of meditation, cultivate the elevated emotions of love and gratitude, and watch as your desired future unfolds before your very eyes. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep envisioning your best self.